This type of poem is called a ballad. Ballads are earlier form of poetry that tell a story. They are a form of narrative writing. They are usually written in quatrains with many stanzas. So here two stanzas from a poem with many stanzas. They had not sailed a league but barely 3, when the lift grew dark and the wind blew loud, a gurly grew the sea. Along, many the ladies sit with their fans into their hands before they see Sir Patrick Spens coming sailing strand. So that is a poem that was written a long time ago. You can tell by the language. Here is a more modern example, a more like nowadays. My father's gone to New York State for business he must do. I wish that he were here with me to help me paint my room blue. When he gets back, he promised me a baseball game to see. If I but finish all my work, we'll see a game or 3. So ballads are telling a story. That's why I said it's like a form of narrative writing. So you are going to go to this slide and click here where it says ballad poems. You will then be taken to this website. And there are 2 types of ballad poems that you can read. You just have to pick one. The first one is Space Cows and Green Cheese. And then you scroll down to read it. Or you could read The Last Quest. I'm going to give you 10 minutes to do so, and then we are going to move on to the next slide.